Hello everybody, this is Geronimo Rubio and I'm here to teach you how to build a quick blog and also show you some ways that you can customize your blog. Number one, you're going to need a Gmail account. It is imperative that you get a Gmail account. Number two, you're going to go to blogger.com and you're going to get a Blogger account. Then, when you get that Blogger account, you're going to go through all the steps setting up your Blogger account, and then it's going to say, okay, do you want to create a new blog now? And you say yes. You create a blog, find a name for your blog, find a domain, a URL for your blog, and then you're going to go ahead and create that new blog. Now, let's go ahead and let's go to layout. Now, one thing about Blogger is that it puts a nav bar in the top. Now, that nav bar in the top, if you're actually doing affiliate marketing or if you're doing network marketing, you're going to want to get rid of that nav bar. Number one, because there is a spot up at the top of the blog that says flag this blog. You do not want people to be able to flag your blog. So you're going to go to edit HTML. Okay, once you pick out your template and stuff like that, you can actually change your template, it doesn't matter. But you're going to go to HTML, and I've picked This Away Blue as my template. But if you look down here, right here, it's going to say / variable definitions. Right above that, you are going to put this code to get rid of that nav bar. It is a number sign, nav bar, hyphen, iframe, space, bracket, space, display, colon, space, none, space, exclamation mark, important, semicolon, space, bracket. You put that right above where it says variable definitions. You save your template, okay, and then the nav bar will not show up. Next, you're going to want to start posting. So you're going to go ahead over here to posting, and you're going to find a blog that you like. If you know of a blog that you like, that you already like the way it's set up, all you have to do, and I'm in Firefox, by the way. This only works in Firefox. It does not work in IE. I know many people who have tried to use it in Internet Explorer. It does not work in Internet Explorer. It only works in Firefox. You would find a blog like this one right here is my blog. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go to this blog, and I'm going to go ahead and click, drag down. You don't have to copy everything unless you want to. I'm going to go ahead and click and just keep holding and drag all the way to the bottom. And then I'm going to right click here, say copy. I'm going to go back to my post, and I'm going to hit Control V, or you can right click and you can post it right in there. You know, you can right click and say paste, and then as you can see, it has copied everything to the T. Now, one thing that it does is, if you look up here, whenever someone makes a post, you're going to have to recognize this. It's going to give a timestamp, Tuesday, May 5th, 2009. Now, if I look at my Blogger posting that I just did, everything looks nice, except for when you get right here. There's the little toolkit, and here is the Tuesday, May 5th, 2009. You're going to select all of that, hit backspace once, it's gone. Now, all you have to do is customize it the way you want. You can center this. Obviously, that is a link, so you're going to go ahead and you're going to click on the little link tab right here to put your own affiliate URL in there. Okay, and obviously I have made these URLs as well, so you're going to want to change the URLs on those. You can make URLs, affiliate links on your actual picture, so you just select the picture, click here, put your URL in there, and you're done. Up here, of course, down here, of course, up here you're going to want to change the name. This is my name. Go through it real careful and find all the stuff that is associated with that other person and put your information in there. That's number one. Now, let's say that you don't like my blog or you don't like my stuff. It doesn't matter. Here's a Squidoo lens that I thought looked kind of cool. So, and look, it's got a bunch of videos in here. So I'm going to go ahead and scroll down and I'm going to find the bottom of this. As obviously there's his name right there. I'm going to go ahead and right click, copy this. I'm going to go back to my Blogger. I'm going to click in here, Control A to select all, or select all, Control V to paste it, and as you can see, it has copied everything. Now you're going to have to go in and modify this. Now I would center all my pictures, of course. And you're going to have to go in and change all these links. All these little blue things you see right here, they're all links. So you're going to have to change them. You double click like that because it's all one thing, and then you're going to go ahead and click on the tab, and you're going to go ahead and put your affiliate link in there, and then you're done. Now these Bitleys, this is something else. You could probably get rid of some of this stuff if you wanted to. See, I always center all my pictures so it looks nice and clean. You can probably get rid of all this right here. Just select it, delete it, and get rid of what you don't want. I could take this, I would center it again. Now it's centered, and I would change that to a link of my own. I'd actually take all this and I'd center it. And I mean, you can customize it. Change the lettering to red. Change the font size to normal. Whatever you want to do. I mean, you can modify it any way you want. Another thing that you can do is you can have a Google account, and you can go to Documents right here, and that'll open up a document platform. You start with a new one, you put your text in, and then I'll just show you. You can actually modify it. Whoops. Well, that one doesn't show anything. Let's go ahead and click on hello and welcome. That one's probably customized. Yeah, you see, this is customized. This is a little thing that I wrote. As you can see, there's a URL link there. Some of my text has been customized, so you can actually copy this. You can right click in here and copy. You can go ahead back over to your Blogger dashboard, Control A, and you can paste that right in there. And as you can see, it'll copy it with the same colors and everything. Google Documents is absolutely awesome. It's an awesome way to customize your text and stuff like that. Great program. I love Google Documents, and then you can get to it right through your Gmail account. So I would recommend you do that. And then, of course, you're going to put your keywords, like if you did 4x1, fortune, easy, 2x2. Always put your name. Because you're trying to brand yourself. Work at home. You want to make sure that these keywords here are somewhere probably in your title as well. You want to put it in your title. And you want to make sure that it's also inside of your text. Okay, within the first paragraph, maybe once or twice in the middle of the text, and then definitely at the bottom of the paragraph you want to put your personal information. And that's pretty much how you build a blog. It's really easy. It's not complicated. You can select some stuff, like let's say that I wanted to take this and I wanted to make it a key point. I can do that. Or let's say that I want to number some stuff, and I changed it to number, like that would be number 1, and then you can number 2, number 3, and you can also embed pictures here. Of course, it's going to embed it at the very top, but you can actually click on picture, and then it's going to come up with either select a picture from your computer, or select a picture from the internet. This URL, basically what it means is, like, let's say that I wanted to select this picture here at the top. So I would right click on this picture, click view. Now, let me go ahead and bring this down. This picture, the URL for this picture is right here. So I would do copy that URL, and then you would go right here to where you have the thing, and then you would just paste the URL there, center it, and then you would click on upload image, and voila. As you can see, it has put that picture right on the top. Now to get it down a little further, you just scroll down a little bit and then drag it down here, and you can put it right in there. And that's how you modify your pictures. This is Geronimo Rubio. I hope this lesson has been a help to you. I'm going to go ahead and make the next video on how to create an easy landing page. Talk to you soon, guys. Bye-bye.